Do you want to say something? How is the coconut car?
Yes,
How
it's a very exotic car.
Exotic car, yes.
I'm quite satisfied with
Yes.
it. I like the color. I like the name of it.
Oh, yes, of course, yes.
And I'm so sorry to be on my own in this car, to be alone in this car, but
It's easy to drive. It's easy to drive.
it's very easy.
Very easy
It's
to
so
drive.
silent, so quiet.
Yes, it's electric.
It is an electric one.
Electric
So
one.
it's obvious on the island of Groix, anyway, to have an electric car.
Yes,
to
but
preserve the
energy,
environment.
Yes, but the energy is coming from the nuclear power or from the solar power.
Solar.
You're sure?
I'm sure for this coconut.
This coconut car.
One.
So exciting. Okay. Bye bye.
Quarter of an hour.
Okay. Bye bye.
I lost.
Prepare.
I have lost all
Yes.
the groups except you.
Oh.
Because we are coconuts.
Because we are coconuts.
I don't know where the other groups are. So maybe
Yo,
they're
yo,
in the
no.
GR.